Okay, here I am, activity 45, and Cameron, Emma, and Lindsay still haven't left my room yet. And this is probably a whole new day for you when you're watching the screencast, and they're still here. It feels like a whole day. Anyway, this one is very similar to activity 44, where you're inserting a chart, but you got to be careful. Pay attention to 7A, where it tells you what you need to highlight, A3 through B13. If you highlight A1 through B13, it's going to mess up the chart and not allow you to change the legend. So you got to make sure you do A3 through B13. And notice 7B says the chart wizard. Excel recently changed, and I need to update these directions. There's no chart wizard, but pretty simple. So you just want to insert a chart like you're used to. Insert, and then click on, see these recommended charts. Look, it's down drop, a column. So here's all the different types of columns. If you just leave your cursor on it, watch, it says clustered column, and that's what we want. Okay, so click on that. Now this doesn't look right. If you flip to page 107, in your handout, we want a legend, and we want an X and Y axis that says frequency and gain, right? So pretty simple. As in the previous exercise, you just got to go to quick layout and look through all these. These are all examples of what it can look like. So we want something that has a legend on the right, we want something that has a title at the top, and an XY axis. So search through these, and pow! Look, so now we got our legend, we have our axis title. So this you got to change to game, this you got to change to frequency, and this is obviously wrong. So you just need to type most popular iPhone games downloaded, right? Most popular iPhone games downloaded. There we go. Okay, and you got to delete the frequency. Oh, bye, ladies. Have a nice day. Okay, so then you need to change the colors of these. So if you want to change the background of this, you just right click on here, and then you can go to format chart area, and then you can change the fill color. Okay, now if you want to change the back of this, right click in here and go to format plot area, and then you can change the color right here, right? And then now, if you need to change the bar color, yeah, you need to change the bar colors. So look, I clicked on it once. You can do a right click a Rooney and then format the data series, and you can do the color here. So, and it looks all pretty and nice when you're done. Looks like this, okay? But don't forget, a lot of kids forget. Come on, I can't go back to the other. Can't go back to the other sheet. Come on, why can't I go back to the other sheet? I got some technical difficulties here. Hang on. Alright, I don't know what happened. I couldn't get back to sheet 1. So here's sheet 1. Now, you want to click your chart once you make all the colors and all that, and you just want to go to move chart again, like you did in activity 44. And this one is just called iPhone chart. So you just want a new sheet, because these down here are all called sheets, right? So new sheet, you just want iPhone chart. And click OK. This already exists because I already have it. I'll just do iPhone chart 1, and then look. So look, you got, this is your sheet. This is where your data is coming from. This is iPhone. I can't click on it again. I don't know what's going on my computer. And then this is what your finished product should look like. Don't forget though, you do need to have a header. So the header might not show up here, but if you go to File, Print, in the print preview, your header will show up here. This one obviously doesn't have a header, but you need to have a header, so it'll show up right here. Okay, activity 44 or 45, excuse me. Have a good day. Kidding, I'm back. Hey, I wanted to show you how to put a header in case you forgot. So it looks like I don't have a header in, but just click on this chart, and you just go to header and footer, and you click on custom header. Okay, so then the left hand, you want activity 45 and your name, center section iPhone games, and the date. Notice it has the and date. All you gotta do is click on this, click on the little calendar, and it'll insert it. So watch, you just put your cursor here, click on this and date, and click OK. And then what it does is automatically puts the date that you're accessing this file. Go to File, Print, and check it out. There we have the header. Super professional. All right, there you go.